Chapter 2, The Math Heist and the Slithering Surprise. Polka Dot and Stripes raced their tiny motorcycle through the grass. The wind rushed past. Leaves flickered overhead. Squeak! Target acquired, Polka Dot said, pointing with her tiny paw. Up in the tall branches sat Mathhawk. Beside him, scribbling nonsense on Rainier's paper, was Math Raven. Oh! 7 plus 5 equals 75, Math Raven muttered. Mathhawk nodded proudly. Excellent math! Stripes gasped. That's a disaster. Polka Dot narrowed her eyes. We must act immediately. The plan was strategy. Squeak, think, Polka Dot said. Stripes tapped her foot. We can't fly. We can't fight them. Polka Dot flipped open her notebook. But we can't outsmart them, she sketched quickly. Step 1, bait. Step 2, distraction. Step 3, retrieval. Stripes grinned. Classic. Operation. Wrong answers. They returned to the fairy garden and found a scrap of paper. Polka Dot quickly wrote, 3 plus 4 equals 1,000. 2 plus 2 equals banana. 5 plus 5 equals 55,555. Stripes nodded. Perfectly terrible. Squeak! Exactly what they like, said Polka Dot. They placed the fake paper in the open. Then they hid. Very still. The switch. Swoop! Swoop! Mathhawk dropped down instantly. Math Raven fluttered beside him. Oh! Math Raven croaked. Even better math! They grabbed the fake paper eagerly. At that exact moment, squeak now! Whispered Polka Dot. Stripes unzipped the tree trunk. Fast, very fast. She reached the branch where Rainier's real math sat, grabbed it, and slid down a curled leaf like a slide. Polka Dot caught the paper at the bottom. Clean escape. The correction crew. They hurried back to Rainier. She needs this, Stripes said. Rainier was sitting by the fairy garden, worried. My math is gone, she sighed. Suddenly, the paper appeared at her feet, perfectly safe. Polka Dot and Stripes stayed hidden, of course. Rainier picked it up. My math! She looked closer. A few problems had smudged. Polka Dot peeked out. Squeak! Time to help. Very quietly, they guided her thinking. 7 plus 5, Rainier said. Polka Dot whispered. Count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, Rainier smiled. Stripes nodded. Squeak, correct. Next problem. 3 plus 4. Rainier counted on her fingers. 7. One by one, she worked them through. Carefully, correctly. When she finished, she beamed. I did it. Celebration ride. That evening called for celebration. Rainier hopped on her bike. Polka Dot and Stripes climbed into the basket again. Squeak, victory ride, Stripes declared. Behind them, Dad, Stephen, glided smoothly on his one wheel. They rode along the path, the sun warm and golden. Maple trotted happily beside them. Everything felt perfect. The snake. Then, Rainier slowed. Wait! Something moved in the grass, long, slender, slithering. Polka Dot froze. Stripes froze harder. Squeak, snake! Polka Dot whispered. A very snaky snake, Stripes added. Rainier knelt down carefully. It's just a garter snake, she said gently. Before the mice could even squeak again, she picked it up. Mouse panic. Inside the basket, chaos. Squeak, this is not okay, Polka Dot whispered loudly. Squeak, emergency, Stripes said. They huddled together, trembling. Snakes eat mice, Stripes said. Not all snakes, Polka Dot replied. But still, too snaky. A garden plan. Rainier held the snake gently. Dad, can we bring it to the pond? She asked. It can eat the slugs in the garden. Stephen nodded. That's a good idea. It helps the ecosystem. Polka Dot blinked. Ecosystem? Stripes whispered. That means everything eats everything. Polka Dot gulped. We are part of everything. The journey to the pond. They rode carefully to the pond. The snake curled calmly in Rainier's hands. Mice stayed very, very still in the basket, not moving, not breathing loudly, not existing, if possible. Safe for now. At the pond, Rainier gently set the garter snake near the tall grass. There you go, she said. The snake slipped quietly into the greenery. Gone. Polka Dot slowly peeked over the basket edge. Is it gone? Stripe slipped too. Gone. They both collapsed dramatically. Squeak! We survived! Heroes, still slightly terrified. As the sun set, they rode home. Rainier happy. Math completed. Garden saved, eventually. Snake relocated. Polka Dot and Stripe sat in the basket recovering. We saved the math, Stripe said. And survived the snake, Polka Dot added. They looked at each other. Squeak! Successful day! But that night, they slept extra deep under Maple's pillow, just in case anything slithered nearby. And somewhere in the trees, Math Hawk looked at the fake paper. 2 + 2 = banana, he said. Math Raven nodded. Best math yet. Oh!